Hi everyone, my name is Noora. I'm a scientist and an engineer. But before that, I was just someone who keeps asking why. I'm very curious and I've always wondered how things work. One thing that I remember from middle school is a friend of mine had an implantable device. And back then, I had no idea what that device does. And she explained to us that when she was very young, she had a hole in her heart and she required an implantable device specifically for her heart. It measures certain things about her heart and then it tells the doctors if she's getting more sick or if she needs to go to the hospital. There are times in high school later on that this friend was gone for weeks and weeks and we had no idea what was happening. Later on, I figured that these devices required battery replacement, required my friend to go through surgery all over again to place these devices. And it has been very scary for her to undergo these surgeries again and again. During my PhD, I decided that I wanted to develop devices that do not require battery, that could be powered by the heartbeat. And that kind of innovation could help reassure my friend that her heart will always be monitored and she would not need to go through surgery again.